Hi, today let's learn how you can give a boost to your social media marketing with AiTrillion. You can give a boost to your social media marketing with AiTrillion with several points that AiTrillion offers, especially the loyalty benefits. One of the best ways to do this is if you go to loyalty rewards and then into activity rules. There are a couple of activity rules that you can set up that offer points to the customer for performing certain activities. Like, for example, you can offer points to a customer to follow you on Instagram, to follow you on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest. You can also offer points to a customer for sharing on Facebook and then sharing on Facebook on a thank you page. So, what that basically means is you have the customer placing an order, completing their order, and on the thank you page after the order has been placed, where you get a thank you for your order page. On the thank you page, you can have a pop up come up where you can encourage your customer to share their details, their experiences on Facebook, and you can offer quite a bit of points for that. It's a great way to engage with your social media. In addition to that, you can offer them various other points to perform social activities. And then you have the refer a friend option as well, where you can set up a set of points to be given to a certain customer for referring one of their friends. And you can also set up some email automation for social media, where you can just have to go into dashboard, and from there you go to workflow, and then to the workflow dashboard. So basically here you can set up some pre-made automations and workflows, or you can set up something brand new of your choice depending on what you like. One of the ones you can use is a loyalty points reminder, where you can tell a customer that they've got a certain number of points and they can redeem them. You can also set up a option where you can have a uh, telling you can have a email telling a customer of all the activities they can do on your social media, like we discussed earlier. You can maybe refer a friend, or you can give points, and you can also set up a sharing of reviews on social media. So once somebody has left a review, they can share that on your social media. There are a huge number of points you can use to engage with your customers and have the customers engage with your social media profiles. If you need any help on support on this, you can always log on to www.aitrillion.com and live chat with us, or you can send an email to support@aitrillion.com. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.